Look at the picture card and identify the word for picture. चित्रपटी पहा आणि चित्रासाठी योग्य शब्द सांगा.
Writing, eating, cutting, playing, crying, dancing.
Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. रिकाम्या जागी चित्रासाठी योग्य शब्द सांगा.
He is writing a letter. She is reading a book. She likes an apple. Go, Corona, go. Wash your hands.
4 पर्यायांपैकी बरोबर पर्याय निवडा. Look at the picture and name it.